The journey started in Norwich, where I took a national express to Heathrow Airport. It took over 4 hours, and I had a really bad car sick. So I was very glad to get to the airport. I flew with Thai Airways. It was an 11-hour flight. The preparation and the journey itself. Some people say they don't like the journey, they like to be transported to where they want to be. But on the opposite, I enjoy the journey. I think it's a highlight of my going away. Because I had not been back for over 10 years, and I just wondered if it had changed. I just could not believe that I was there, I felt like I was dreaming. I kept saying to myself, oh my God, I'm here. I am here. I'm actually here. Oh, and this is when I bought a takeaway of wonton noodles with barbecue pork.
เอาเส้นเล็กไม่เอาแห้งค่ะขอโทษทีลืมไป
คือว่าเอาแห้ง
ค่ะ
ไม่รับน้ำซุป
เอาไปก็ได้ค่ะ
ได้
ก็ใส่
To begin with, I was a bit skeptical. I was thinking, oh, was it clean enough? Did he wash his hands and all of that? But I thought to myself eventually, oh, don't be silly. To hell with it. Just eat it. And the noodle man, he was so polite, so obliging. And the food was so delicious.
นี่จะสแกนเหรอโทรศัพท์ไปด้วยจะสแกน
ไม่ดูเลย
ครับผม
This is Chaophraya Express boat. When I was there, I tend to use it as my main transport to the city. As my cousin's house is like 10 minutes walk to the river.
เฮ้ยเดี๋ยว
So what I did when I was there was to take the boat to the city, then to get to the actual place where I wanted to go by the underground or the sky train. So this way I felt like I could schedule my own time and I could get to the place where I wanted to as planned, that sort of thing, because I didn't have to bother with the traffic, which was really bad in Bangkok. And to be honest, it didn't cost much either. I think it was only about 75 penny, not even a pound.
Welcome to Chaophraya Express boat. Orange flag flying.
สีเหลืองปะ
Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
เดียวเลย แล้วพี่ก็เจอ
Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
Bye for now. Hopefully I will come back with more videos. Thanks for watching.